Hi there, thanks for joining me. We understand that not all sellers want to compete with Amazon. With this in mind, we have specifically created a feature in Repricer to allow you to ignore them as a seller. In this video, we'll show you how you can apply this to your rule to ignore Amazon. Let's get straight into it. Choose Repricing Rules on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, simply click on an Amazon Repricing rule. Once the rule loads, move on to the Advanced tab. And to exclude Amazon, just flick the Exclude Amazon toggle and save your rule. It couldn't be any easier than that. Repricer's rules are powerful and give you a large amount of options and controls you can use. I would strongly recommend having a look at some of the other videos we have on the YouTube account, which will show you how you can make use of them to improve your product's repricing performance. If you haven't yet started your trial with Repricer, we offer a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Or why don't you get in touch and book a demo with one of our helpful team? Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day.